Just a little bit of an issue here. This thing is not even secured. There's no drywall, which means anything in the crawl space can come right up. We got a flex hose on there, that won't work, so some issues on that. Obviously, with rust on the bottom side of the ductwork, there's probably too much humidity in here. This tarp is, our vapor barrier's not done very well. There's obviously signs of shark bite. Plumbing repair. There's a new floor joist in there. I think that's probably where the issue is. No, that's on the other. That's on that unit on that side. But let's investigate that. We've got some damage going on there. This is really hokey. We got some structural issues here. Well, that's all foobarred. I'm not even sure where that is. Okay, again, due to moisture, we've got the exchanger box, whatever you want to call it, rusting. When that goes through, if there's holes in it, we're not going to get air where it needs to go. There's a lot of sistering up of floor joists. I got to try and get to that side, see what's going on. Look at the hokey amateur. I mean, we got shark bites going into copper, back into PEX, back into copper, into PVC. I mean, if that's holding pressure, I'd be amazed. I don't think this is where we feel the unevenness in the floor, but obviously we have an issue. You can see it's not even hitting the joist there. That beam has started to deteriorate. This is like a real amateur setup. Boy, at some point that's going to really need to be corrected. Look at, I mean, we got, I don't even know what's holding that thing up. So we've got some support issues here. We've got plastic drain pipe laying right on top of a heat duct. That gets hot, eventually that'll burn through. I mean, you can see it's kind of sagging. That needs to be secured back up. There's some kind of structural issue going on here that we'll have to have checked out more. Signs of moisture coming in here through the cinder block. That could just be gutter discharge issues. There. Okay, here we are on the other side where we feel some more of the hooves. This obviously is the bathroom. That's got to be the tub, the sink, I'm guessing, or at the kitchen, I don't know. Well, that would have to be the toilet down there. So we got some more structural issues here. Probably, oh God, I'm kind of lost where that's at. Anyway, it looks like we've had some pretty good leaking there. Okay, again here, you can see where the floor joist is not touching the subfloor. There's a whole bunch of screws or nails. They've kind of supported a hole down underneath with just decking board. We got all sorts of framing going on here. See how that's not touching up there. This is the wrong joist hanger. Again, a lot of sisterine, a floor joist in there. There's been some major structural issues going on here. We're going to see what else we can find.